Hello guys, welcome to Byte Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and update the Realtek high definition audio driver on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Before we begin the installation, let's first check which version of the audio driver is currently installed on your system. To do this, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Once Device Manager is open, scroll down and expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. Here, you should see either High Definition Audio Device or Realtek Audio listed. Right-click on it, select Properties, then go to the Driver tab. Under Driver Date, you'll see the version details. In my case, the driver is dated March 3rd, 2025. If your driver is outdated or you're experiencing any issues with sound, such as no audio, distorted output, or missing enhancements, updating the Realtek audio driver can help resolve many of these problems effectively. Let's now proceed to update it with the latest version. Now open your preferred web browser and in Google search type Realtek and then press enter. From the search results, make sure to visit only the official website, Realtek website. Click on this link to open the site. Once you're on the Realtek homepage, look at the left-hand side and click the menu icon or the drop-down menu. From there, select Downloads. Next, you'll see several categories. Click on Computer Peripheral ICs. A new screen will appear, prompting you to choose a product category. In the product line, select PC Audio Codecs. Then under the subcategory, choose High Definition Audio Codecs. Now, you'll see 3 available options. Always choose the top one, as it's the latest version. In this case, it's labeled ALC888S. Simply click on that version and a new window will open with the download details. You will now see a list of available drivers. Always choose the topmost one as it's the latest version. If you're using a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system, you can download the first option. It's compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and fully supports Windows 11 as well. It works on both 32-bit and 64-bit systems. However, if your computer is running a 64-bit operating system, it's recommended to download the second option, which is specifically optimized for 64-bit systems. Once you've clicked on the correct driver version, then in next window, check the box that says I accept the above. You may also be asked to complete a captcha for verification. Once that's done, click on Submit and the download will begin. You should see a message confirming that your download has started. Once the download is complete, right-click on the file and select Open. This will begin the installation of the latest Realtek audio driver on your system. The installer will first extract all the necessary files and then the installation wizard will appear. Click Next to proceed. By default, the driver will be installed in your C drive. Once the installation finishes, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. After restarting, your audio driver will be successfully updated to the latest version. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helped you successfully install or update your Realtek HD audio driver on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.